crack his back. And that's how it is done. Subscribe. Check out my other back cracking videos. Cool.